Menteri rang ba kemeklia Konrad K Sangma nedang step haipon Rusten delayin la nyu yo utap vote smart hawal bakre polling station wa ematura haiwa dawan usakni kata dewa ya hi ke keri. Tap vote ne kesni tu walaupun man hagi spa artli konsekvensi gi jela keri wada sedang tap vote na dot nyaw je step adok so je jan med. Konrad hawe klam do ongo do wan ternit dewa yurti wo yo utap smart ke vote tang wada pala wo yo wada embon gi bru gri yin lan chwa. Konrad dia aulet ke keri hi yo po chakni katau Wai dah hap uo yang ar kan ta jitan hado oyo utap vote. Ke kertong ke NPP ko man lek MP wakat ni ke agatha ke sangma deploy go ni ke walba kre polling station hai pornya step wai di yin lan go yo tap yo ke vote yang ka. Ukon ra da khana wa waro ki wa emo sanran wai yo da yo da pa of lai tap vote ki wai go MO to go da dep don hi tap vote. Ke NPP National Treasurer ko man lek ke kurim Konrad ke Dr. Metap sangma da tap ko yo vote yang ka aring gre gitim polling station hatura.
I came here today at 6:30 and I was hoping to be one of the first to vote, but in a pleasant surprise, there were many people who were there before me, and it's a healthy trend, and I appeal to everyone that election and voting is a democratic and constitutional right of every citizen of this nation, and that we must all exercise this particular right. And I'm happy to see that so many people have come, and I urge all to participate in this democratic process. Thank you.
Generally, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign, and I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers.
So what are the core issues that affect the locals in the voting actually in Meghalaya?
I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace. And when I say development, it also includes employment. People want good infrastructure. They want their governments to provide good infrastructure. They want governments to provide job opportunities. And I feel that this government has, fulfilled and delivered on these promises.
So we have seen that females are participating in high numbers. What will you say about that?
This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.
So the idea is that everybody, of course, is voting, and everybody's vote is the same. So whether you are the driver of the Chief Minister, or you're the security guard of the Chief Minister, or you're the Chief Minister himself, everybody has one vote. And so it is important that every single individual should cast their vote. And hence I have asked my driver, my security personnel, that they don't need to worry too much. I'll drive myself and I'll go to the polling station, and security also, we will take the local security from Tura, or those who have already casted their vote. And I would want every single individual in my staff to ensure that they go and cast their vote, and hence I decided to drive myself.